when markets decline steadily. It's a Sunday night, and Jill believes the markets will swing upwards tomorrow. On Monday morning, she buys $100 of a daily 3x leveraged bull ETF for a total of $300 of market exposure. Unfortunately for Jill, her prediction is wrong, and her ETF's benchmark index declines 5% from 100 to 95 points. Her daily 3x leveraged bull ETF returns 300% of that loss, for a total of a 15% decline. Her ETF is now worth just $85, which means that Jill will start Tuesday with just $255 of exposure to the market. At this point, a prudent investor might decide to cut their losses and exit their position. But for explanatory purposes, we'll continue. On Tuesday, the index declines from 95 to 90, a 5.26% decline, and Jill's ETF falls another 15.78% to $71.58. On Wednesday, the index goes down to 85, an additional 5.56% loss, and Jill's ETF declines to $59.65 for a total exposure of $178.95. On Thursday, the index declines again by 5.88%, and Jill's ETF goes down another 17.64% to $49.12 for an exposure of $147.36. Finally, on Friday, the index drops to 75, an additional decline of 6.25%, and Jill's ETF again drops 18.75%. At the end of the week, with 5 consecutive days of 5-point declines in the benchmark index, Jill's ETF is worth $39.91, and her total exposure is just $119.74. All told, the benchmark index experienced a total decline of 25% for the week. The daily rebalance has reduced exposure each day, and subsequent unfavorable index moves have created positive compounding. Jill's investment still declined significantly at negative 60.09%, but not as much as 3 times the cumulative return of the index, negative 75%. Each day, as part of the rebalancing process, the fund pulled a portion of the assets out of the market to ensure that the fund's market exposure equals 3 times the fund's assets. The end result of this process is that Jill ended up losing less than she would have if the fund was not rebalanced each day.